guys, I'm just out walking at a conservation area near my home, and I looked up at the top of one of these trees, and it's just got like a hollowed part of its branch, a broken and hollowed section part of its branch. And look what's inside. It's a parrot, a lorikeet by the look of it. And yeah, I've never seen them do that before, so it's such a delight and such a surprise. I'm not sure why it's just sitting in there, if it's just taking a rest from the elements. It's quite a cold and windy and a bit of a showery day today, or if it's got a nest in there. Oh, I hope it's well and healthy, of course. I don't want to wish any unhealthy vibes on it, so I do hope that it's well and healthy. So what do you guys think? Do you think that it has a nest inside there with some babies? Or do you think it's just taking a rest? It's just really, I've never seen, they're always just so noisy, fluttering about, and eating from the different native plants in the area. And it's just very different just to see one quiet and just sitting there. It's so beautiful though, right? Look at it. Such a blessing to see. I don't know what the vision looks like on this recording, guys, because it's pretty high up, and I've zoomed right in. I think it's at the capacity to what I can zoom in. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you what I've just discovered. Isn't the earth full of amazing treasures and precious surprises for us? Yeah, look, it's looking at me too. Looking at me, looking at it. It's gorgeous. How lovely.